intro again. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5.
Train to Assago Forum is approaching.
Buongiorno. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Yo, it's a rainy day in Milan and I am late for class. Class is for 10. It's now 10:15. They owe me. I wasn't even home in the rain. I left home in the rain when I was already late. Knew me. Time to go back home. Yo, the escalator is not working. Look how much stairs I have to go up. Bruh. These round stairs. I made it. So I took out my phone earlier to let y'all know good morning, whatever. But I had to run for the tram. Then I had to walk up all those stairs. And now class is on the 3rd floor and there's no elevator. I'm burnt, I'm tired, I'm sweating. And it's cold, my hand freezing, but I'm sweating. You know why I was late. I know I was up, but yeah. Like I felt lost for like a whole hour and a half in the class. I just wasn't in it. I don't know. Yeah. She took a look, mixed it with the chill out. Now she said she saying 3D. Wow. I go in the jungle and they got a coat. I bet. Well, I guess. Coach, I love you. Let's try this intro again. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Today, a regular day. I had class, Bar had work. He's working from the office. It's a Monday. They work 3 days in the office and 2 days from home. But I think I mentioned yesterday there's a holiday, so he's gonna work from home tomorrow and Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday he's off. So yeah. Anyway, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. I had class today. I was late for class. I was up early but still late for class. So is life. I had a full morning of cardio. I had to run to get the tram. Well, you also want that, right? So just a summary, in case you missed it. Your girl had to run for the tram. Then the escalator was not working and it's like, let's call it 3 flights of stairs that I had to go up. And then when I still had another flight of stairs to go up to get to the ground level, so I had to walk alongside, well, walk across the length of like the different train tracks and then exit on the street level. So those were some more stairs that I had to take. And then my class is on the 3rd floor and the elevator is not working, so I had to walk up and like 3 flights of stairs. So before I went to class, I had to catch my breath. Then after class, I went to the supermarket. And this particular supermarket is one of the low cost supermarkets in Italy. Well, that it's an European supermarket, but here in Italy. And it's very close to my a tram stop that I take. If I'm taking the tram to get home, that's one of the trams I have to take, so it's very close to that tram stop. So I had to pick up a few things, so I said I'll go in that supermarket and yeah, and after coming out of the grocery, while I was exiting the grocery, I had to run to get the tram because the tram was coming. So I had to do a little quick sprint to get to the tram. So I had a little day of cardio, but anyway, you all know, I was pumping my Massy back to the grocery. Representing Massy. Anyway, let me unpack these groceries and I'll do a quick haul of some of the things I picked up. I got bread, tomatoes, aka pomodoro, onions, aka chipotle, broccoli, some oat milk, avena, senzo zuccheri, so no sugar added. These words I get trouble to pronounce. Ayunti, so no sugar added. And then I got some regular oats. I got this cream liqueur. This was €6. I didn't specifically go for this, but I got it because it was €6. Because I wanted a cream liqueur. The Bailey's is like €12 for this small bottle, and certain things I don't feel to spend my money on at certain times, and yeah, I wanted a cream liqueur. Sometimes if I wanted to like spike my coffee or make a cute little drink, so I got this. Then I also wanted whipped cream, and they had this, so I got it. Again, if I want to make a little cute drink, some whipped cream for it. Then I got granola, and this is a relatively new thing in Italy. Before they just had like this soft muesli. I never know how to pronounce it. Muesli. And I don't really like that. I like crunchy granola. So some places call it like crunchy muesli. And this is the first time I'm actually seeing granola outside of the Kellogg's brand. But anyway, so they actually said granola. And then the last things I got, as I shared in my cost of living in Milan video, meats are some of the most expensive grocery items that you will purchase. So just 2 fillets of chicken breast was $4.13. And then I just got a whole chicken, basically, for $4.27. So sometimes I like to buy the whole chicken because it's cheaper than purchasing like these, like this piece is 413 and this piece is 427. So, you know, anyway, so all this was 25 euro, which is not bad at all. So what else? I need to wash some clothes, make up the bed, do my homework, etc., etc. This is how the food came out. It tasted really good. And yeah, this is how I'm looking at the end of the day. You know, when you're sending your children to school and they come back looking a hot mess. Yes, that's me. This is what the day has done to me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. This was a different style that I've been wanting to try for some time. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment below, tell me if you liked it so I know if to continue to capture my idea like this. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.